Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northeast on Cedar Avenue towards Cherry Close in Portmore Pines, Portmore, St. Catherine Parish. Portmore Pines is a neighborhood in Portmore, and it is situated nearby to the neighborhoods Silverstone and Newland. Notably, Portmore is a large urban settlement located along the south coast of Jamaica. Portmore is nicknamed the Sunshine City. Turning off Cedar Avenue onto Cherry Close. Cherry Close ends and we are going back to Cedar Avenue. We are back at Cedar Avenue. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.